everybody, this is Rob and welcome to your first session at Get Your Body Fit in 30 Days, 30-day transformation for beginners and people who need a reboot. And my name is Rob. For those of you who don't know me, I'm going to explain my story. And by the way, I have been in your shoes. Okay, if you're right now not happy with your physique and you're feeling like you don't like, certain parts of the body, you're kind of bulging out and your clothes don't look great. I've been there. I know what that's like, and I haven't been there once. I've been there several times in my life. First of all, by the way, this is my boot camp that I've had for about 10 years where I've been transforming bodies. Okay, sorry to digress. Anyways, to tell you, my first time that I got overweight was when I was about 15 or 16 years old, which is obviously a terrible time. Well, any time's a terrible time, especially when you're a 16-year-old boy at high school and you're definitely, you have extra social pressure to look good and fit in and all that stuff. And I remember I was 20 pounds overweight and, girls weren't interested and all that stuff that boys go through. And I'm sure women go through the same sort of thing as well. And then eventually I got into swimming and fitness and I learned and blah, blah, blah. And I got back into shape. And that's what I want for you. Now, let's fast forward about 20 years. Then life happened and da-da-da-da-da. And then eventually stress started happening, and I won't bore you with the details, but there was one point in my life where I was stressed out and I was a smoker and I was a gambler, and then it was just the worst of the worst. Everything, I was losing money, and then I wasn't going anywhere in life, and I had a job that I hated. And so what I did was I find, okay, enough is enough, time for a change. And by the way, I was 30, 40 pounds overweight. And my blood pressure could have seriously got worse, and diabetes could have kicked in if I didn't make any lifetime changes. So anyways, I just had enough, and I said, okay, enough is enough. Change has to happen. And I quit my job, and I went to school, and I spent $20,000 to $30,000 in college to learn how to be a trainer in fitness, because I've always been interested in fitness. I've always liked it. I didn't know huge amounts about it, but I knew the basics from what I learned from my friends and so I wanted to get into it as a living because I actually knew I enjoyed it, and that's why I got back into. That's why I went to school at 40 years old. At 40 years old, when everyone else is running around, they're 20-year-olds. I'm here going back to school. My hair is balding, and I was overweight, and I was a smoker. And I went to fitness, and I was into the fitness program, and I was still smoking. It was terrible. So I quit. Okay, the day before I started my program, I quit smoking. Okay, and I saw a counselor. They have a great program in Toronto. Anyway, it's not going to bore you with the details, but what I'm trying to say is I went through years of school, so 2 or 3 years of schooling, and then I went on to open this boot camp and help thousands of others. Slowly, I started in a park, and then I went from 10 clients to 20 clients, 300 clients, and that was 10 years ago. And I'm 47 now, so somewhere around there, I've helped a couple thousand people lose weight and get in shape and get out of that terrible. So I have tons of experience with fat loss and weight loss. And wouldn't it be, and now I have the motivation and energy to stay fit. I stay fit all year round. My body fat's relatively the same all year round, and I want that for you, okay? What really got me out, you're probably wondering what made the change, how did I change? What really helped me was I started to learn from someone, Tony Robbins, and some other big names at the time, and about helping and serving others. And once I started helping and serving others, the depression went away, the anxiety went away. Once I started realizing that I can help other people, I actually started to feel good, and that's what I do all the time now. I help people as much as I can. I really want to see you succeed, and that's why I do what I do, and I know the pain that you're going through. I was there, when I was 16, I was there again at 40, and I can make you feel better. I can help you. I've been there, so I've been in your shoes, and I know the steps, and I'm going to teach you over the next 30 days how to not only eat better and exercise, and I'm going to give you all the workouts. You don't even have to think about it. I know what workouts work. Okay, you just got to follow along with me and my coaches for the next 30 days and go through each module over the next 30 days. And guess what? your body is going to be more improved than it is right now. How would that sound? And how would you like to be able to maintain and keep that momentum going into the future? I'm also going to help you with that as well. So if all that sounds good to you, then give me a high five. Thanks for joining. I'm so excited that you're in this program, and I encourage you to ask lots of questions, and make sure you stay engaged and let me know how things are going. Each week there'll be some homework. Make sure you do your homework and keep up to date in all the courses. Each day go through it, and we'll be in touch more. Okay, so that's it for now, and I'll see you in Module 2. All right, bye-bye.